Okay guys, we're at the graphic card section of Asrock's booth. On display we have the AMD Radeon series. We've got the Intel Arc series, and then those are the motherboards for AMD and Intel. Okay, as you all are aware, Asrock doesn't make any NVIDIA graphic cards. They only have Intel Arc and AMD Radeon. Guys, we're at the monitor section of Asrock's Computex 2024 booth. Over here I have a young handsome gentleman who's going to help us with all the monitors and whatever information we need with those monitors. First, what's your name, sir?
My name is Maurice.
Okay, this is Maurice. Okay, he is Asrock's PM for monitors.
Yes.
Okay. So what monitors we have here today?
This year we will have 3 models in OLED model. The top one is 32 inch with the 4K resolution and the 240 Hz refresh rate. The special feature of it is that you can switch
alternating to 1080p 480.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What other models there are?
The others is 27.
27?
Yeah, 27 we have 2 models.
Okay.
This one is 240 Hz
okay.
refresh rate with the 2K resolution.
Okay.
This is also the 27 inch, but with the 360 Hz refresh rate, and also the 2K resolution.
2K resolution.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're at the motherboard section of Asrock's Computex 2024 booth. Okay. Over here with me, I have Mr. Nick, who is the R&D head for Asrock motherboards.
Hello, everyone. I'm Nick from Asrock.
Okay, so Nick, I see there are plenty of motherboards on the table, on your wall here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've noticed something really different this time around, where there are multiple variations of the Taichi motherboard.
Okay.
Can you explain what is going on here?
Because Taichi will become like a name of the series. So you can see a lot of different kind of motherboard just based on the Taichi's product series. So you can see we got a Taichi Aqua, Taichi OCF, and also the special design Taichi OCF, the Chem 2, and also under there is also the Taichi Lite edition, and also as you know, the famous Taichi is just right there, and yeah, that's all below the Taichi series. Yeah.
Okay, so that means from today onwards, okay, Taichi is going to be your flagship series.
Yeah, you can say that.
So Taichi,
yeah,
Phantom Gaming or Steel Legend?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pro series?
Yes.
HGV series?
Yes. Something like this.
Okay,
yes.
so that's the hierarchy of the models after this.
Yeah.
Okay, what's new basically?
As you know, this is Intel next gen Z chipset, right?
Yes.
And we totally, compared to previous the platform, we upgrade the VRM design.
Okay.
So you can see, start from the Aqua board. It has 33 power phases, and each phase can capable of 110 amperes SPS MOSFET. So won't you feel like amazing, because it should be the first time the client board has 33 phases. Yeah. So after that, the Taichi OCF, as you know, that is OC formula. That's OC board. So that one has, I think, 27 power phases, and also other motherboard all has more than 20 phases VRM.
Woo.
So
there's a lot of power for processors.
Yeah, so this gen, we totally upgrade all the VRM design right now. So you can have very powerful and durable VRM by the Asrock product. Yeah.
Okay, one thing I would like to actually ask, I remember the Z790 Riptide, your M.2 enclosure was a latch.
Okay, yes.
A moving latch.
Okay.
Okay. Will that be in this generation?
Oh yeah, you can see that. You mean the M.2 heatsink?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see we got a button right there.
All right.
So you can move the button a little bit. Sorry,
bro.
You have a video right now. Yeah. You can move the button to the left side, and maybe I can show you later.
Yeah, I think we can do it later.
Okay.
Come forward.
Maybe I can show right now. Yeah. Move the button like this. Oh, sorry. Then you can remove that. You can move that so easy. So when you push back, just put like this. Yeah, here is the same. So you can remove the heatsink, then install all the M.2 and push back.
Now we are at the AMD motherboard section, And we still have Nick with us. So let's find out what's new with AMD and Ryzen 9000.
Okay, so the new upcoming AMD new upcoming motherboard, we call it the XA70. So the difference between XA70 from the X670 is the USB 4 support.
Okay.
So if you have the USB 4 support, it's become like XA70 chipset. But you already saw that we have a huge upgrade from the VRM for the Intel series, right? But for the upcoming AMD motherboard, we also upgraded VRM as well. So you can see from the XA70 Echo Taichi, everything. The top is, you can see that the 27 power physics. It's also 110 SPS MOSFET. Yeah, so Taichi and Taichi Lite had 27 power phases, and the Nova got a 23, and the Riptide got 17, and the Steel Legend 17 too. Pro IS also 17. Steel Legend, oh, that's his previous one. So we got 6 new motherboard right now.
Yeah.
It's all more than 17 power phases. Yeah.
Okay, this is the Pro RS.
Yeah, the Pro IS.
So the Pro RS is becoming a white color motherboard, is it?
Yeah, those two motherboards, the Steel Legend and Pro IS, become white.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
because I think
okay.
a lot of people.
I realized
Yeah, a lot of.
B760 it became white a bit.
Yeah, I think
B650.
that users they prefer the white motherboard right now.
Yeah.